Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I think today I'm going to do a tour of my Century 21 Award office. So I hope you guys enjoy, stay tuned. Put my glasses back on. Got my Century 21 Award there. La Mesa. Sit right next to 7-Eleven, it's right over there. Get my keep that up. That Halloween decoration. Look at that. There's just one office. We usually come here and get talked to for some coffee or something. Here's where our TC sits. Does his business here. A little office space over here. All that room. Main boss, manager works here. Office. Another office. All these little desks around here fits everybody here. Got your own printer. It's eyeball, it's laid out, you know. Oh, look at that, it's 2 eyeballs. 2 eyeballs. Weird. See all them awards? Look at all the awards over there. That is crazy awards right there. We'll get to that in a moment. Got my offices there are. There's so much space. Got air conditioning on, so it's so cool. Everyone's decorating their office. We have a deal going on. We decorated the back of the office. And I won a prize or something. Oh. See, we just got little toys here hanging around. There's a little, you know, you want to work there. Little office spaces. Look at these. 2000. What's the next one? Oh, look at that. 1997. 1997. We got 2000. All those are awards. They come together as an office and put their homes together to sell the most in the country. They just got so many awards. Look at all of those. This guy in here is a beast. All those are his awards. I need to be on his level. It's pretty old, you know. Master Ron Dirt is a really great realtor. He's got all of them certifications. He's a baller. Got our meeting rooms and stuff like that where we do all the training. Angelo over there taking a nap.
What's up, baby?
Huh? No, did a YouTube video.
Doing my training.
Yeah.
Century 21.
How you turn the light in here? Just real quick. Just want to show the beauty of this place. Call this the thinking room. Come in here and think. Right there's the main man right there. It's a big time. It's training. Keep his stuff on. Let him back sleep. Oh, look at this. I gotta say it's a really big office. Really big office space. All these deals on this board though. It's crazy. Check it out. The deal board. It's crazy. So look, you see all the April, the guy I was telling you about earlier? Look at this. Ron. Next one, Ron. It's crazy. Ron. There's some Ron. These are March. Like, this is just him consistently. Ron. Crazy. Ron. This dude sells so many homes a year. Ron. Look at all that. That is all him. It's crazy. And those are sales. See that? Sales. Here are listings. All the listings these office has. Look, obviously Ron's right there. He's got that home. Ron. Again. He's just a baller. As you can see, October's a little small. When you make this bigger. October's almost over, so it's probably not gonna happen. And over here is our printing room. Pick a computer, print off, put in your number. Got that kitchen space. Do some coffee, whatever else. Your microwave. Do your refrigerator. Don't leave your coffee stuff unattended. You might get drank. Back to my little office. Well, not even my little office. Just I think it was the storage space, but these are the bathrooms too. There's nothing special about these little bathrooms. Check it out. Nothing special. Just the bathroom. But a little side room. See, look, this is why I said it's not like a storage space at one point. Angelo likes to stand up and work because he's weird. Whatever. Our little desk deals that he has going on. It's a little messy. We're trying to reorganize this place, but yeah. Alright guys, that concludes the office tour. I hope you enjoyed. You have questions about whatever, how to get started, and what it's like working here. I also have websites that I actually might add into the video, show you what they gave me. It's pretty awesome. I like it. But as always, as we're signing off, I need you to like, share, subscribe, notifications, so this way we can inform your friends and get them on the same page, and let's get them started. Hope you all get